Hello everyone and welcome back to MK's Aviation. So today we've got a big box to unbox today. Finally got the Gemini Jets April releases in, and I can't wait to see what we got. So should be 3 models in here. If you've watched my model news video for May, you should know what these are. And yeah, I'm not gonna say too much more. Hope y'all are having a great Saturday. I'm actually opening this on a Wednesday. It said this package was actually gonna get here on Saturday, so it's a nice little surprise that I got it today, and can't wait to open it up. So yeah, let's get into it. Also, it's worth noting that all of these are wide bodies, I believe. So yeah, got this from DG Pilot. So that's nice. First order from that, well, second order. The first order hasn't come in yet. And yeah, just taking the packing peanuts off. Should be 3 models in here, and we'll start with this one, which I believe is, yeah. So taking the model out of the styrofoam, we got the Royal Jordanian 787-8. My first 787-8, hard to believe. So yeah, that's gonna be an awesome model. Love their paint scheme, and yeah, we'll set that off to the side. Taking that off. Take the next model out. They did a great job packing these, I'll say as well. So just taking this one out, we have the Emirates A380. Now, I've been chasing an Emirates A380 for a while. They just haven't made a plain one. Finally did, so I decided to jump on that. And then we'll get the third and final plane out of here, which you probably just saw in the last shot. Spilling packing peanuts everywhere here. We got the FedEx MD-11. Now, I missed out on this one when they released it. Was it 2019? They released one with the 757. I still gotta get the 757 sometime soon before it's gone for good, but they just re-released this one, so I was able to get it. It's an awesome model, and I'm very glad to have it. So yeah, 3 models. Let's get them open, and we'll take a closer look at them. Alright, so we'll start with the Royal Jordanian 78-8. And just taking the cradle off the top, we can see first impressions. It looks to be a spectacular model. Just take the paper off there and try and get the model out. It's got that new plain feel. And yeah, look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, there we have the Royal Jordanian 787 in its glory. Paint job is awesome. This model's fantastic. No issues at all. Landing gear perfectly straight. Color's perfect. So yeah, I believe this is kind of an updated livery. I don't remember there used to be any red on the engines on the old one, but this one is great. I'm not really sure whether I prefer the red or not. I'll have to think about that, but yeah, great model, and we'll go to the next. Alright, just going down the line in size, we got the FedEx MD-11. And taking it out of the box, it looks gorgeous. I love the MD-11, it's one of my favorite planes. And if I can get this paper off. And taking it out of the box, we can see that it is perfect, no issue at all. Gorgeous model by Gemini Jets. Gemini Jets getting back to their old form, it would seem. Their quality control does seem to be going up, besides the CRJ 900 issues. This one is a fabulous model. It's definitely going to be one of the favorites in my collection now. So glad I got this model. And we'll move on to the Emirates A380. Alright, and just removing the cradle off the Emirates A380, we can see it's silver plastic here, which is pretty cool. We have the A380 in all its glory. Now this is my 3rd A380, I believe, and I'm probably going to need 2 hands to get this thing out of the box. So, 1 second. Alright, if anyone knows why the heck they put these things on the A380 box, let me know, because I'm trying not to break this thing, and we're on like turn number 4 here. So, yeah, hopefully we can get this out without breaking it. Alright, we got it. So this, as I said, 3rd A380, and this one is gorgeous. The gold Emirates logo underneath looks great, no issue. Wings are fine. I don't know why they put those things on the boxes for the A380s. I don't see why they don't just lay there like every other one does, but hey, who knows? So yeah, just taking a look at this one, we can see it's very nice. Details on point. Gemini Jets probably has the best A380 mold, and yeah, we'll take a closer look at all these models in depth. Alright, so starting with the first model, we have the Royal Jordanian 787, and just taking a look at the mold, it's very nice. I don't see any issue whatsoever with it. Gemini Jets has, in my opinion, the best 787 mold. The only thing is, again, this is my first 788. It looks like the gear height is on point. I don't know if it's too high. It looks good. That's about what the 789s are, so I'd assume they're about the same, just a little bit shorter. Color is perfect, there's no issue there. Gemini Jets photoshops their images, but I don't even think from the images there was any doubt this model is going to be flawless. Taking a look underneath, it's just a white underbelly, not much excitement under there. Engines, again, perfect, there's really no issue if we look at it head on. They're both off the ground. Gears are straight, as I mentioned earlier. No wing, there's really no wing flex either, which is nice. So yeah, Gemini Jets, as I said, getting back to their old form, making some excellent models here. And glad to have this one in my collection. There's no issues on the printing or anything up there. The gold titles look amazing. And yeah, so just a great model. I'd highly recommend it. And we'll move on to the next one. Alright, so the next one is the FedEx MD-11, a perfect model. Nothing more to say about it. Give it a 10 out of 10 for sure. Just the mold is perfect. Gemini Jets definitely has the best MD-11 mold. I currently have 3. I'm going to get a lot more. I believe this model will become a workhorse at MK International and other airports like that. It'd be cool if we could get like a DC-10 in FedEx. I don't know if those are completely retired, but I'd still get it just for the coolness of it. I'd like to track down one of the old releases of the DC-10 too. So, but just taking a look at it, you can see highly detailed. Got lots of antennas, detail on the wing as normal. The engines look great. There's no issue there. Nose looks fine as always. Printing details are on point, landing gear is perfect. If we take a look at the underside of the plane, we can just a little bit less boring than the Royal Jordanian with a little bit of a gray stripe. Love the uniqueness of the third landing gear there. So there in the back. So yeah, all gears are straight. Got lots of detail under here. The stand hole, front gear is great, and the back. So yeah, a perfect model. Again, I'd highly recommend this one as well. Just lovely. As I said, definitely going to be one of my favorite models, and yeah, really glad I was able to get this one. Alright, and for our third and final model, we got the Emirates A380. I'm so stoked to finally have a regular A380 for Emirates. It's been a long time coming, so yeah, glad to finally have one in the fleet. It's a great model by Gemini Jets. As I said, I think they probably have the best A380 mold. And yeah, Emirates colors just look great in it. There's no issue up front. Mold looks fine. The engines are on point, no issue there. The wings are fine. There's no seam issue underneath. If we take a look underneath, the most exciting underside there with the Emirates gears are fine. They're not crooked, they just move. Lots of details on the engines, under the wing flaps. Gears are perfectly straight. We got some of the aerodynamic features. On the other side, things are perfect as well. We got our beacon light there. And yeah, wings are perfectly straight, no issue there. Coming over the top, we can see that just how massive the A380 is. All the detail on the wings and horizontal stabilizers. So yeah, great model by Gemini Jets. I'd highly recommend it to any of you guys who are in the market for one. And yeah, that's the last model here. Alright, so that's gonna do it for this unboxing video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, learned from it. Some really great models. If I had to pick a favorite, I'd probably say the FedEx MD-11, just because it's such a fantastic model. Some great releases by Gemini Jets. Very unfortunate we couldn't get the other 3. models out of the release that I ordered, the 3 American CRJ900s. Unfortunately, I don't think I'll be getting any of those. I might be able to snag a couple on eBay, but those are very expensive, so probably not. Again, very fortunate to be able to get these models, very thankful. And thankful for all the new supporters of the channel. We've gotten a lot of new subscribers over the past couple days. I very much appreciate you guys. We're working our way up to 200 for sure. And yeah, that's gonna do it for me. Hope y'all have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless.